Okay, guys, I know you're probably wondering that there is more than just one universe out there, that there are ones different from our own, and, basically, I am telling you all this from, basically, I am just saying this just for the heck of it. Yes, it is true that there is more than one universe out there. Some exist in a dimension different than ours. But, you ever notice that time has actually been split into more than one reality or timeline? Like when you travel back in time. It'll only affect the future you travel to. Your future, not mine. And basically, the nature of our reality depends on time travel. When traveling back in time, and if you murder the right man, an entire civilization will collapse. And eventually you'll be wiped off the map. So basically here, we're gonna show you guys how to draw Parralellmon as an example. I don't know what Parralellmon is exactly, but all I know is that he's a Digimon. And, basically, he's like a ghost type. Well, at least I think he is in Pokemon language. So, anyways, here we have his head. Next up, we just gotta draw his crown here. His chest, his face. And here we go. And here's his vehicle here. There's his neck. And next up, here's his arm here. You know, basically, there have been hundreds of episodes where people have gone to alternate universes and alternate timelines. Kind of like the ones that Trunks is from. There was that episode where, from Wild Grinders, where Lil Rob went to this universe where he was a lackey for Stubford. And, he never knew how to skateboard. And another thing is that, well, basically, there are other worlds out there, like SpongeBob and Patrick traveling to that Doodle dimension, where they encounter Doodle Bob again. Remind me that I have to draw a Doodle Bob in one of the episodes, you guys. And, basically, one time during Pokemon, there was that one time where Ash traveled to this parallel universe where Zeraora and Dia were under attack by Guzzlord. And, I don't even want to talk about the one where Ash went to this other universe in Pokemon XY. That is just messed up. I mean, seriously. If we do any more TV shows about parallel worlds, the whole universe would possibly fall apart. And your minds would clearly be messed up. And one more thing. Did I forget to mention that there was that one timeline where, let's see, what is it? Oh yeah, there was this one timeline where Henry and Charlotte from Henry Danger traveled to an opposite universe where Ray and Schwaz are evil and are villains. But, basically, we're not like that where we're from. I rather much have Captain Man as a hero. Often I wish to forget that opposite universes ever existed. Seriously. Anyways, there are lots of mirror yokai out there, like Mirapo, allowing you to transport from one year to transporting you from one location to another. And another mirror is Miradox, where he allows you to travel through time. Basically, those are the only mirrors I can think of. Okay, so here's his chest here. And there's also this universe where there's also this world where in Bakugan Battle Planet, there's the one where Dan and his pals went to when they were trapped inside the maze, where his alternate reality counterparts were trying to take over. take over the world that they're from. And, here's another thing. I don't even want to know what other worlds are out there. Let's just say that alternate worlds can be really scary. Especially from that movie, Mirrors. Alexa, what is the movie Mirrors about?
Mirrors is a 2008 horror movie starring Kiefer Sutherland, Paula Patton, and Amy Smart. An ex-cop and his family are the target of an evil force that is using mirrors as a gateway into their home. Its runtime is 1 hour, 50 minutes. It has an IMDb rating of 6.2 out of 10 and is rated R.
Yeah, literally scary. So, on his hands, you have to draw the number 9 and make it swirly-like. Okay, and there we go. Basically, I hope that there's a universe where Blue's Clues never existed, which would be kind of awesome, actually, because we all know that Blue's Clues is a real pain in the butt and is for real messed up losers. Basically, that show is only for people from an insane asylum. And I have no idea. There's no way I'm going to that world again. Anyways, traveling to other worlds is possibly dangerous. I prefer to talk about going to outer space. Because traveling to space is better than traveling to other universes. Because I prefer the universes from Universe 1 to Universe 12. Kind of like the ones in Dragon Ball Super. Anyways, okay. Yeah? I'm not hungry, Mom. Okay, next up. Here's the other number 9 here. There's the gum. Now, here's this mark here. There we go. There we go. There's his number 9. Basically, his claws are huge. I don't know what Parralellmon exactly is. I think he's like a shapeshifter or something. And he has the opposite personality of the form that he takes on. It's just really creepy. And don't forget to draw the wings on his back. And that's how you draw Parralellmon. Anyways, Alexa, what does parallel mean?
As an adjective, parallel is usually defined as extending in the same direction, equidistant at all points, and never converging or diverging. As a noun, parallel is usually defined as a parallel line or plane. As a verb, parallel is usually defined as to provide or show a parallel for, match. For more, ask me to give you more definitions for parallel.
Alexa, what does alternate mean?
As a verb, Alternate is usually defined as to interchange repeatedly and regularly with one another in time or place. Rotate, usually followed by with. As an adjective, alternate is usually defined as being in a constant state of succession or rotation, interchanged repeatedly one for another. As a noun, alternate is usually defined as a person authorized to fill the position, exercise the duties, etc., of another who is temporarily absent. Substitute. For more, ask me to give you more definitions for alternate.
And that's how you draw a Parralellmon. That's all the time I have for now. But basically, we should never try to mess with reality itself, because they are not meant to leak into ours. Because these worlds are often known to be extremely dangerous, and if you end up in the wrong place, you might end up getting murdered by your alternate self. Same goes for that movie, Us. Alexa, what is the movie Us about?
I know about 730,000 American movies, including The Shawshank Redemption, whose plot is two imprisoned men bond over a number of years, finding solace and eventual redemption through acts of common decency. The Dark Knight, whose plot is when the menace known as the Joker wreaks havoc and chaos on the people of Gotham. Batman must accept one of the greatest psychological and physical tests of his ability to fight injustice. Inception, whose plot is a thief who steals corporate secrets through the use of dream-sharing technology, is given the inverse task of planting an idea into the mind of a CEO. And Fight Club, whose plot is an insomniac office worker and a devil-may-care soapmaker form an underground fight club that evolves into something much, much more.
And Alexa, what is Us? Alexa, what is Us?
According to Wikipedia, the United States of America, commonly known as the United States or America, is a country mostly located in central North America, between Canada and Mexico.
Okay, so basically that's how you draw a Parralellmon. So I'm still traumatized from what I said to you. So if you need me, I'll be upstairs biting down on some watermelon. So have a nice season and have a good time.